Certainly, Bangladesh is renowned for its diverse array of famous places that attract visitors from around the world. Among these, the Sundarbans stands out as the largest mangrove forest globally, revered for its unique ecosystem and as the habitat of the majestic Bengal tiger. Cox's Bazar boasts the distinction of having the longest natural sea beach spanning over 120 kilometers, offering breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. Srimangal, known as the tea capital of Bangladesh, captivates with its lush tea gardens and serene landscapes. Historical enthusiasts flock to Sonargaon, an ancient city showcasing architectural marvels and traditional folk art. Mahasthangar, dating back to the 3rd century BC, serves as a significant archaeological site, reflecting early urban civilization. Meanwhile,